Yo, what's going on to all y'all boys out there? Happy New Year's, happy 2024. I hope everybody watching this video is getting to it, has their goals written down, have their goals planned in their head, and I hope everybody watching this executes them. All right, it's a big year. We got a lot of things to do. 365 days, make some shake, you know what I'm saying? But it's your boy D Rich. We back with another video. Today I'm excited because I'm doing a little upgrade on my brakes. As you guys saw the last video, it went wrong. My brakes, I had brake failure in the canes, like the worst place you got brake failure. Like it could have went all wrong. I could have went right off the cliff. But hey, thank God that didn't happen. We blessed and we still here to make some content for your boys. So right now, I'm on my way to get my brakes resurfaced, my rotors resurfaced, because I did buy a BBK kit for my car, the Akibonos. There are the OEM ones. I didn't go with no aftermarket brand. I got them from a part out, so you know, just using the rotors and all that. Y'all heard that downshift? That shit was loud as shit. Nah, but what was I saying? Yeah, we getting that BBK kit installed, getting them reserviced right now. I'll show you guys them in a little bit, so just stay tuned. About to switch to my iPhone camera right now. Hope y'all boys enjoy the vid. Grab some popcorn while you at it, you know what I'm saying, and all that, because it's about to be a banger. Hope y'all boys enjoy this little improvement, this little addition, the upgrade that I'm adding. It's gonna be a simple upgrade, but I feel like it's gonna make a big difference for sure. So just stay tuned. You guys will see the end results at the end. Yo, here's the BBK kit that I got. This is Infinity. All right, so the plan with these is I'm going to paint them eventually, but for now I think it will look really clean with the silver on black. So it's gonna look fire. It's gonna pop more. It's gonna be a subtle difference. That fitment though, we tucked. Yeah, but got this off of a part out on a G37 sedan. So gotta get these resurfaced real quick and I'll be back. Yes sir, just got them resurfaced right now. Looking brand new. Just got a little rust on the outside or the middle part. We'll be back at the shop.
12 seconds later.
I guess I'm back at it. They hear some new Draco talk, they like crack addicts. I'm in the dog, got the stick, don't get asthmatic. If you say I like from movie, you're a bad actor. Shoot with me, I don't gotta get back cracking. I ain't going back and forth with these whack rappers. I'm passing on it out, they going to whack something. Mouth running like a bitch, he's a track runner. I'm in the down, that's exclusive. Share with me, but don't make him get exclusive. You a clown, you a loser. I see you watching, everything I do is exclusive.
Watch on, run it.
I'm in the down, that's exclusive. Share with me, but don't make him get exclusive. You a clown, you a loser. I see you watching, everything I do is exclusive.
as y'all as y'all just saw, got gap real quick, know what I'm saying? Hey, I don't have no ego with my car. If I get gapped, I get gapped. I don't give no craps. Some people got egos with their cars where they get gapped and that ruins their whole day, but hell no, not for me, man. Let's do a little tunnel run. Hey, as you guys can hear, my brakes are horrible. Hell yeah, just made it to the shop. Got a 370 Nismo. And we got another Q60 getting the engine replaced. This is what I don't want. That's why I got that warranty. So get that shit done for free. For the free ski, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, about to get them brake calipers. It's about to make a hell of a difference. We'll tune in with y'all when I get them done. Hey, if y'all ever wanted to know what a VR30 looks like, this is what it looks like, man. Got the turbo, the turb skis. Saw it. All right, good, let's go. Oh my god. Nah, that motherfucker tough. Oh shit. I love my car 10 times more now because I get to see the outside view. Hey man, my iPhone camera sucks. It's like the stabilization is like fucked up or something. Like, look at all that shakiness. New phone soon, but yeah, man. Got the brakes on, looking good, looking great. This one is dirty as hell. I cannot clean it up, so it does kind of look blue. So I'll be painting them soon. Once I get new rims though. So once I get new rims, then I'll think about it. But I do like how it looks. I feel a big difference while I'm driving, as you guys saw while cutting up. Hey man, more cutting up video soon. But yeah, man, looking good, feeling great. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I don't know, I might remake the outro because I'm not feeling this outro right now. But hey, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me at D2Rich. And we'll tune in. I'll catch y'all boys. Ended up at a meet. You know what I'm saying? You know how I do it. Now we gonna watch some flames and shit. Y'all like flames? It's kind of cool, but you know. Alright. I want to see all the ratchet shit while we here. niggas out here with snails and shit. What the fuck? Random shit, man. Look at the lines on the ground. Yeah, man, that was super random. Just a random meet. You know what I'm saying? The homies popped out, so I popped out too with them. You feel me? But this is the outro. Hope y'all boys enjoyed. I apologize for the shaky footage. It will not happen again. I promise. It's not gonna happen again. Cause I'm getting a new phone soon.